Okay, I'm back working on my race motors here. I got back and got some parts. So I picked me up some cylinders. So these are some high performance ones. So this is some Wing-Soul racing parts that I got, not through Wink. So I'm trying to make this fit onto the motor here. The case is kind of beat up through here, it's not let in, so I'm going to grind it a little bit so I can get it put together. Mock up further. It takes billet heads on these, which I have a set of those somewhere that I got from Wink a few years ago. So I'm putting his motor back together, I guess, in the top part that he never built. Race parts go around in circles. Okay, so we'll go ahead and grind this a little bit. Come on, turn. Damn hose. Hard to grind straight hole in one hand. You can't tell it's round anyway. All you do is guess. You're gonna have chips in the motor now. Braking fluid. Alright, let's see if it'll fit now. It goes this way. Nope, still goes the same spot and stops. So, not exactly sure where the tight spot is, but somewhere there's a tight spot. That's about as far as it goes down, no matter what I do. Further now. Definitely a tight spot somewhere. Of course, after you get it in, you got to get it out. Banging a cylinder too. Bang, 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 putting dents in it. Yeah, probably should quit banging on it. Whew, looks like a sweat. Whew. You can definitely see where it's hitting. Whew. Getting hot. Whew. Hot, hot, hot. All right.
What's up, Hoodies?
All right. There we go. Whew. It's tiring. Okay, so now we know where it's hitting. to have a little interference problem someplace. Fight. Oh, you dumbass. That was my fault. I know it's not hitting on that because we're not even in that part of the cylinder right now. Let me just hit it somewhere else. I'm not even on that part of the cylinder yet. Show very much. That was the easy part. The back out's the hard part.
Exactly.
That's why you do it with another machine, because it cuts around. Do it by hand, you just make stuff all screwed up, so all you ever do.
Instead of putting this one together?
I don't have more parts to put that one together.
So you started.
Started, but I can't see no marks where this is hitting. Alright, yeah, I'm done screwing with that. I'm not gaining on this one at all. I can't tell what's hitting. It all looks like it's the same. I'm not even down to this point, so I know that's not the spot it's hitting on. So it's hitting somewhere. Don't know where. So I'm tired of screwing with it because all I'm doing is screwing around. I'm screwing it up more than I'm helping it. So let me quit doing that. I got grinding gear all over my clean bench. I don't like that.
Jumping.
Yeah, not good for it. Alright, so that goes in there. Well, this piston's in backwards. So this rusty cylinder fits in there, see, no problem. The clean cylinder doesn't fit on.
It's always the way, right?
See, this side's not blown up, that side. This one has the issues. There's some issues with that board. Alright. So, oh, look at that. See, now I know what height piston I need to get. So it means my mock-up motor is correct. I thought this rod set was the correct rods for this motor. And here the length. And it is, because the piston comes up like it's supposed to. So this is a stock twin cam early tall ass piston. So you knock off 50 to 100 thou and it'll be the correct height. Or you put a bunch of gaskets under here and then this one will be the right height. But who wants to use gaskets? Alright, so that just tells me what parts my stack-up height's going to be, just like we did on this one. Then I'm not going to run no more. See how that stack-up height is good? That was flush. So this is the other motor. So I was going to make this my big 4.7 bore motor, but now I've determined I'm going to leave this one alone. I'm going to take out this top fuel crank. I'm going to put an 80-inch crank into it. We'll put 4 1/4 bore on it. It'll be a 120 motor. I should be able to use the case the way it is, just lightly clean up the holes here. And then get some cylinders made to this bolt pattern. And then I can put this together the way it is. Because I got to do a lot of work on it to go to a bigger bore. It just isn't worth it. So I'm going to take another set of cases and I'm going to butcher them all up. And then I'll make those into the big ass ones. So this one I'll just leave with this small bore motor. 120, just a little dinky motor. We'll leave it at that. So this motor, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. It's just something to play with right now. I offered to my friend to ride. He's been talking about riding a bike for 3 years now. He hasn't done nothing yet. So he's already got a bike to ride. He won't ride it. But if he wants to go faster, there's a little small motor to play with. So that one is I forget what size I worked out to be in. Now we know what the bore is. I think it's around 140 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah. 4.25 bore, 4.25 times the stroke, which is 5, times 2 times 0.7854 equals 16 inches. Think I hit the wrong button? Oh, I'm hitting plus. 4.25 times 5 times 2 times 0.7854. Oh, I was off. It's 142 cubic inches. Just a little putt around motor. Yeah, just something to play around with. No, nothing special. No, just something to screw around motor. See, twin cams don't have to be. We don't care about twin cams. You see, this has a ball bearing over here and a tension bearing in here, so you're not gonna hurt that crank. That motor will live. You can run that pit. That's made to run nitromethane. The whole can. Throw the label in there too. All right, that's it for those two for now. Need more parts.